Hi, and thanks for joining me. And in this tutorial, I'm going to share a quick tip that I find very useful when I'm holding meetings with others via Google Calendar and sometimes when I'm in Google Meet. And that is a feature that's inside Google Calendar that allows you to keep meeting notes. So when you're creating an event in Google Workspace, all you have to do is create your meeting, and let's invite some people. And I'm going to go ahead and invite a couple of people here. And then save the event. Now, once the event is saved, you'll notice that prior to your meeting, if you reopen the meeting, you'll see a new feature that says Take Meeting Notes. So if you're like me and you create an agenda for a meeting somewhere else, save it in your drive, and then print it and bring it to a meeting, or even if you're working online, you have to constantly refer back to attachments that you've added to the meeting and say, don't forget to look at the agenda. Then after you've met, maybe days or weeks later, you go back to find those notes, they're not there. Well, with Take Meeting Notes, these notes are a document that gets created by Google Docs straight out of the meeting. It shows all of your attendees, and you can take notes during the meeting to say, we need to set up future dates for meetings, and then maybe you have action items that you need to take care of. When you create your meeting notes, if there are attendees that have been invited to your calendar event and they don't have access, it will give you the opportunity to make sure that that document is shared. If you choose not to, you can just click dismiss. But like I said, once this is created, it becomes a permanent fixture of your calendar event. So now, after taking meeting notes in our Google Meet meeting or in our face-to-face meeting, if I've forgotten what we covered, if I need to go back and refer to it, or if I need to print off a copy for my records, it will always be part of that calendar event that I can click on and open and read anytime. So if you're in favor of keeping notes during meetings but never having to worry about losing them, use this feature. Well, hopefully this is helpful to you, and if you have questions, please visit my website at www.techycoach.com. Thanks for joining me.